If I had an allocation for a 911, this would be my dream build. When you're building a car, the first thing that you do in the application, My Porsche, is to select the color. Here I've selected Lugano Blue. The next thing that you normally have to select are the wheels. So let's take a look at the wheels. So I'm going to go with the Carrera Classic wheels. They're 20-inch and 21-inch in the back. Next, have to choose an accessory for the wheel. This is the wheel center caps that are colored with the Porsche crest. Select those. Next is the interior. I like the slate gray and chalk. And that's full leather. Then the next choice is that I want is the 14-way seats with the memory package. I do want rear seats. That was an option. I do want ventilated seats. And then if you look at, here's a picture of just the back seats. Then you need to kind of look at the different packages. An exterior, I do want the electric slide tilt sunroof. It does come with roof transport system if you want to put a bike or something on your roof. Next is some of the exterior options. Here I'll just go with standard 911 Carrera in silver on the side, and then on the back, which you can't really see from the picture, it's 911 Carrera in silver as well. And then for the lights, just the standard lights, as you can kind of see here. Next, you have options for interior trim. This was a little controversial, but I went ahead with the trim, the blue trim, which matches the exterior of the car, kind of bring the exterior color into the inside of the car. And then for some of the technology and for performance, Sport Chrono package, the Sport exhaust with silver tips, and extend the fuel tank range, and a PDK transmission, which is standard, and then lane change assist is another option I'd like to have for safety. Home link is to obviously to open your garage door. I'm going to go with preparing the car for a dash cam as an option. A smoking package, just not that I smoke, but it's a nice cup that has a cover on it. And I think that's about it. This is what it would look like. And it shows the roof. And that's it. Let's hope I get an allocation. That's what the interior would look like. And that's the chalk and the gray interior. What do you think? Let me know. If you like this content, please subscribe. I'm at 300 subscribers. Would really like to get to 1,000.